Terrified of Jamaican men, and here's why. Uno not living on the truth. Against my better judgment, I went and I searched for a leaked video for guardsmen, male security guard, in a room. Apparently, allegedly, it's in Hanover, performing you know what. There was one man on the bed and two other men taking turns, and the cameraman. Right. That is fine. It is 2024. If you want to be that, fine. But I am certain that these men, they're on the down low, and then probably have woman, and they were not using protection. Them ma do them thing, raw dogging it, and probably going home to them woman and doing that with them woman, raw dogging it. All right, let's take away, the obvious STDs and STIs. You do know that if dodo go into it can cause severe infection. It can literally eat out our inside. Yes, to the Jamaican men, it is 2024. Live in your truth. If you like other men, do not date women. If you like both, ensure that both parties know what's happening, because this is ridiculous.